Good afternoon. My name is Gregory Cloud, and I am doing the YouTube video for the debate group on the points of the pro-abortion front. As you know, abortion has been a hot topic in our nation for quite some time, and our group has been assigned to deliver pro-abortion points, which on the front is commonly called pro-choice. The first point that we want to bring up in this debate, number one, first and foremost, abortion is legal. Roe versus Wade in 1973, the Supreme Court decided that abortion, the woman had the right to choose abortion. If she so chose to have an abortion, it's her right to do so. And it's a fundamental right for a woman to choose what she does with her own body, whether or not we disagree, whether or not we agree or disagree with the point. Also, allowing a legalized abortion allows for accountability and regulation of abortion clinics and the doctors. It also allows a safe environment for women to have abortion. What it eliminates is what we used to hear back in the 50s and 60s and some part of the 70s before Roe v. Wade. You heard of the back alley abortions, and they would make the statements like the coat hanger abortions and things of that nature. It eliminates that. It makes the procedure safe. It makes it sterile. It makes accountability happen. These have to be trained doctors. Anybody can't just go and you can't just go to anybody and get an abortion. It makes it a medical procedure, a legal medical procedure. Also, we know rape is a problem in this country, and for us to be such an advanced country, it's still a problem. What happens when a pregnancy is a result of a rape? Is it wise? Are you saying that the woman should be forced to carry and have a baby by a person that forced himself upon her? We say no. The woman should have the right to choose whether or not a product of rape, which a pregnancy is resulted from this rape, should be carried to term. And I understand, and I know there's arguments of all kinds of great people that were born. I don't know if most people come to know, but James Robinson, one of the greatest television evangelists, and still has a television evangelist program, is a product of rape. His mother was raped, and he was the result of that rape. And it was her choice to carry him to term. Should it be a law? Should she not have a choice? Should it be said that no matter what, you carry that baby to term? We believe not. Also, some pregnancies can have fatal consequences. And women are told, unfortunately more than we would like, that you can medically carry a baby, but should you choose to do so, this could result in serious bodily injury for you or death. We believe the woman should have the right to have that choice, to determine whether or not they want to accept those consequences. We understand what the moral obligations are, and that people would feel that, well, it should be a no-brainer. Well, for some women, it's not a no-brainer. For some women, to force them to carry that baby to term is a death sentence. It could be a death sentence for them. Should they not have the right to choose whether or not that's a risk they want to take and carrying the child to term? We believe that they should. Finally, and probably the most important of all, living in this state, in the state of Texas, we pride ourselves on our independence, and we're the only state that can divide itself into 5 states, and we signed a special, when we were brought into the United States, into the Union, we made it, a special it's a privilege of Texans. As you know, history says, Texas is the only state that can fly its flag at the same height of the United States because it was once a republic that came into the Union. Texans are all about their independence. The last thing a woman, that I believe a Texan woman would want, would be to have the government telling them that you have to carry a child to term. You have no choice in the matter. The government should not have an opinion as to whether or not a woman can have an abortion. That should be an individual choice, not a choice made by a body of legislators, mostly men who have no idea what it's like to be pregnant, no idea what it's like to have to carry a child to term or anything like that. But they get to set the laws and tell these women that they have to have these children. We believe that's wrong. In closing, all these points that we made in this debate point to the fact that abortion, no matter what your opinion about it, abortion is a legal medical procedure that it should be a woman's choice to have. It shouldn't be legislated by government. They shouldn't be told whether or not they can have it. It should be a choice of theirs to make. Ultimately, they're the ones that have to live with the consequence, whether they choose to have an abortion or not. But we do believe that it should be their choice. We thank you for your time, and on behalf of the pro-abortion group, we appreciate your time and appreciate your listening. Thank you very much.